For locals who usually start their Yuletide celebrations as soon as December rolls around, the Cliff Hotel in Negril's West End has extended its summer deals to cover the first 20 days of the month. Front of hotel manager Taji Reed tells us more.
Typically, locals consider the entire month of December a festive time, and not necessarily just Christmas and New Year's Eve. Beginning December 1st through to December 20th, our locals can still take advantage of our summer rate, which is up to 50% off come December 21st. That's when our festive season really kicks in. And that's when we have our peak rates. And however, we still have discounts for locals that want to book with us.
They have also made shorter stays more attractive for those who don't have an entire week to be pampered at the luxury boutique hotel.
We have relaxed our minimum night stay restriction, which will make it even easier for locals to book the property, given that they wouldn't need to book between 5 to 7 nights, but they can now book a 2-night stay if they want at the Cliff.
Guests can look forward to lots of holiday cheer at the Cliff Hotel. As of December 1, the decorations will be up and staff will be sporting Santa hats. A spectacular Christmas tree lighting has been planned with caroling by employees and students from a local school. Sorrel and eggnog will provide a taste of the traditional Jamaican Christmas. Then there's the ball.
Every year we have our New Year's Eve celebration, and this too is open to the public. And even if you are not a guest at the Cliff Hotel, it is an option. We have a la carte option that is open so persons can come over and just ring in the new year with us.
Just came out of the water, out of the Caribbean Sea. It's one of the reasons why I'm here. There's no jacket required at dinner, and yet it's a luxury experience. So what is luxury?
Jamaica in general is a great place with great food and culture and music. It all comes together in Negril.
Unusual in Negril to find a place that's such low density and very open.
We're 33 rooms on 5 acres. That's light, that's air, that's space.
You go down to the water and it's just the rocks and the iridescent blue sea. People have that solitude, that time to reflect.
Wellness is just part of being in Jamaica. It's part of their culture.
The sound of the waves calms the nervous system. Even before we touch you, you start to relax.
It connects the place to the environment. We have a garden where we grow some of our own vegetables and fruits.
It's a lot of love, a lot of flavor. Jamaicans, our motto is out of many, one people. Our cuisine is out of many.
To take the local ingredients and make the food so special.
We need to come up with something new, something true to our roots. Let's see if we can do a breadfruit taco. It's Jamaican versus Mexico. It's like a football match, but Jamaica is gonna win.
The best food you'll find in Jamaica.
People tend to work hard here, very hard. It seems like something that comes natural for everyone.
Their level of customer service is one of the best we've experienced anywhere.
That's our culture. We respect each other, we love each other. From here all the way up there, we bring that from outside straight onto the property.
We're a vibrant set of people. We like to be seen.
We have a few people. Johnny Walker is one of them. He's a character.
Sometimes I don't even have to taste it, I can see the smile on your face when you take a sip, so I say, all right, that's...
LT karaoke box. He sings everything.
If I start to sing a song, my day started to go easy for me. Drum and bass, let's get it rolling.
That's one of the things that the guests love the most, just the personalities that are here.
This place has a personality. It has a soul.
I think more than often property picks me. It finds a way. I said, I know exactly where this place is. I came here 7 times, and I never go anywhere twice.
Beautiful surroundings. We saw the potential immediately.
From the moment a guest calls, the reservation is made. Every detail of it means a lot to us.
If you want a romantic dinner for 2, we can make that happen. If you want your family of 10 to eat together every night, we can also do that.
You're like family, so we treat you like family.
They end up extending their stay. They end up coming back real quickly.
On this property, I think people feel taken care of. It's about feeling like you're part of something more than just a vacation. People appreciate that.